In this video, I will be showing you how to blur a background in Canva. Let's get started. First, I head over to the top left corner of the Canva homepage and click on Create a Design. From the quick menu options, I select Instagram Post in the 4:5 ratio format to open up a fresh canvas. Once the editing canvas loads, I move over to the left side menu and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top of the panel, I type in background to find a suitable backdrop for our project. I switch over to the Graphics tab to browse through the options, scroll down a bit, and click on this blue textured background. Now, I adjust its position and scale on the canvas by clicking and dragging the handles on the edges until the blue graphic completely covers the frame. Next, I navigate back to the search bar in the Elements panel, clear the search text, and type in flower. I click on the Photos tab to filter the results, and scroll down through the list. I select these hanging purple wisteria flowers to add them onto the canvas, then resize and align them near the top section of the design. To blur the background, I click on the blue backdrop element to select it. On the top toolbar, I click Edit Image to open up the editing panel. Next, I click See All under the Tools section and select the Blur tool. Inside the Blur panel, I switch from the Brush tab to the Whole Image tab so the effect applies across the entire graphic. I then click and drag the intensity slider to adjust the blur strength to around 50%, creating a soft focus effect behind the flowers. Finally, I click the Close button on the Blur panel to return to the main workspace and review the finished design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to blur background in Canva.